SASS ships real built-in modules like SASS, math and SASS, color, providing genuine functions for calculations and color manipulation without writing your own. In this video you'll use both. Math.div genuinely performs real division, plain onto numbers is deprecated for this in modern SASS. Color.scale genuinely lightens the real base color by a relative percentage computed by the built-in module, not by hand. SASS Math provides real built-in functions like math.div for calculations. SASS Color provides real built-in functions like color.scale for color manipulation. Both are genuinely imported with at use, same as any other real SASS module. Use color.scale to generate a real hover state shade from an existing base color. Ready to compare SCSS variables against real native CSS custom properties?